Hello, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Marami sa inyo ay nagtatanong, many of you are asking, how do you analyze data? Because sometimes when you hire a statistician, it's quite very expensive. Can you just not do your own data analysis yourself using free software from the internet? So I'm going to teach you now how to analyze descriptive data in your research from your survey. I hope may matutunan kayo sa araw na ito.
Hello. So suppose this is the questionnaire that you're using, acceptability of abortion among public administration students in MSU General Santos. Your questionnaire have 9 questions. You have age, gender, religion. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are questions that would be answerable by yes or no. Alright, so the next step is to put these answers into your Excel file where you have the columns containing the answers of the respondents. Remember, it should always look like this before you can do some further analysis of your data. So you have here uh, respondents up to question number 6. Now you're going to export this file as a CSV file so that the file would now be read by Jamovie. Now we download Jamovie, the software that we're going to use. I suggest we use the 1.2.27 version, and you just follow the instructions, install it in your computer, and the Jamovie will look like this once you have downloaded it in your computer. Now we're going to import the file that we have created, the CSV file, which we place on our desktop. I named the file as trial.csv, and we will just browsing the file until we can import it into Jamovie. And Jamovie, by the way, is a very simple, very clearly laid out software that you can immediately understand once it is in your laptops or in your computer. So now we have downloaded a file. We will delete some of the columns that are not part of our research. We just delete them, and you will notice that our file as inputted in Excel looks exactly the same in Jamovie. We change age into a continuous variable because it's not a name, and all the rest of the variables up to question number 5 are all nominal variables. These are names, and they can easily be later on analyzed. But age is a continuous variable, and you look at the icon, it's quite different for continuous variable. Now we go to descriptives, analyze age. Okay, place it there in that box, and we choose the icon statistics. We remove n and missing values. Maybe we retain the mean and the median. We retain the standard deviation, and presto, our data is already analyzed. So you have the mean 42, the median 30 plus. And we can also split the data by gender, and you can now have your uh, analysis by gender in terms of mean and median. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to analyze the nominal variables, we don't use statistics, but we use frequency tables. So we remove all the statistics and instead click on frequency tables. And just the same, we put the desired variable into the box variables, and it will give you immediately the percentage of the frequency distribution per variable. So you can do it by question 1, as well as by gender. And yeah, so we can do question 1 up to question 5 if you want. And movie will automatically give you the frequency and the percentage distribution. You can also split, okay, the answers. by different variables like religion by question 1, and it will give you the frequencies for each of the answers. That's it. It's so easy if once you know how to use Gmovie in your laptops.